Hello guys, in this video we will see what his update requires restart error in COD Warzone and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step while understanding the update requires restart error content. The update requires restart error in Call of Duty Warzone typically occurs when the game client detects a pending update that hasn't been fully applied, or if there's a discrepancy between the game version on your system and the server's expected version. It often appears after a patch has been released. Even if the launcher indicates the update is complete, this message prompts you to restart the game to finalize the update. But sometimes the loop persists, preventing you from playing due to an inability to properly apply or acknowledge the required update. Set basic troubleshooting. Fully restarting the game and launcher content. The first and most straightforward solution is to perform a complete restart of both the game and its associated launcher. Battle.net. Do not just close the game window. Ensure you fully exit the application for Battle.net. Click that's on the launcher window and then select Exit Battle.net from the system tray icon to ensure all related processes are terminated. You can also open Task Manager, Shift and end any lingering Warzone or launcher processes. Once confirmed, close or launch the Battle.net launcher and then start Warzone. This often prompts a fresh check for updates and resolves minor client-side glitches. Step verifying and repairing game files. Content persistent update requires restart. Errors can indicate corrupted or missing game files that are preventing the update from being properly installed. Most game launchers have a built-in scan and repair tool for Battle.net. Navigate to the Warzone tab. Click the cog wheel icon options next to the play button and select Scan and Repair. This process will scan your game files for any inconsistencies and download or replace any corrupted or missing data, ensuring your installation is complete and valid. Allow this process to complete entirely before attempting to launch the game again. Step checking network connectivity and clearing cache content. A stable internet connection is crucial for downloading and verifying updates. Ensure your internet connection is stable by restarting your router and modem. Additionally, cache data from previous game sessions or updates can sometimes interfere with new update applications. For Battle.net, you can try clearing the Battle.net cache folder by closing the launcher, navigating to Program Data Battle.net, and deleting the Blizzard Entertainment folder. This will be rebuilt upon next launch. Also, temporarily disable any firewalls or antivirus software that might be interfering with Warzone's connection to update servers. Step advanced solutions and seeking official support. Content. If the previous steps fail to resolve the error, consider more advanced measures. As a last resort, you might need to perform a clean reinstallation of Warzone. Fully uninstall the game, then manually delete any remaining game files or folders to ensure no residual corrupted data is left behind before re-downloading and reinstalling the game. If the issue persists even after a clean reinstallation, check official Activision support pages, the Warzone subreddit, or Blizzard forums for widespread reports of the same issue, as it might be unknown but with a recent patch. Submitting a support ticket with relevant details and any error codes can also provide specific guidance from game developers.